Finding the perfect battery is now simpler than ever. The AI agent provides instant answers to your questions, helping you explore the best options based on your specific needs, whether for a vehicle, home backup, or industrial use. Just enter your car's model and year, and in an instant, the agent analyzes specifications to recommend the best battery options tailored to your needs. No browsing through endless choices, just accurate, data-driven suggestions. And when it's time for installation, the assistant goes a step further, helping you find nearby service centers, so you can get back on the road without delay. By combining instant support with a seamless, interactive experience, the AI agent makes selecting the right battery effortless and hassle-free. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just the right battery, the right service, and the right solution at your fingertips.